My name is Steve Mancinelli, and I'm third generation shop owner of Mancinelli's Auto Repair Center. COVID has definitely been a game changer for everybody. We took it as an opportunity to change our business model. We've really changed how we do a lot of things. We sanitize all contact surfaces in the customer's vehicle. The technicians have always worn rubber gloves, and we've always put in a plastic seat covered floor mat. But now when the technicians go out to the car, they will wipe down the steering wheel, gear shift lever, inside and outside door handles. Then when they've completed the job and they park it in our completed area over here on the north side, when the advisors do the quality inspection, it gets wiped down again. So the very last time that the car is looked at and touched, it's clean. We offer concierge service for people that feel uncomfortable, coming down, but still needing to get work on their cars. We have a drop box for contactless drop-off and pickup. They can fill out an envelope and they can drop it through the mail slot, and we've got sanitized lock boxes for them to be able to access their keys and pick up their car without coming in touch with anybody. Contactless payment as well. All of the staff were instrumental in rewriting our processes. Our customers aren't going to stop driving. They've got jobs to go to, they've got family to attend to, they need to be able to rely on their vehicle. And with all of the necessary steps that we've taken, we're making sure that we're looking out for their health and well-being while the car is in our possession, so that they can drive that car with confidence once they take it away from us.